Namaste, good morning, good evening. This is day 6 of learning how to speak simple everyday Hindi. The last two lessons were a bit grammar heavy, so today we'll move to something easier counting 1 to 12 and how to speak the time. So let's begin. Let's look at this example. Now, just like there are different ways to read this particular time in English, right? So there is 3:10, 10 past 3, and 10 minutes past 3 o'clock. Hindi too has different ways to tell the same time. For instance, this can be 3:10. Okay, so this is 3:10, 3:10, or 3:10, 3:10. So this is 10 minutes past 3. So there are different ways to say what the time is, and you pick and choose the one that you find most convenient, right? To be able to tell time at all times, you need to know how to count till 59. In Hindi, you can make it work with even lesser numbers. You obviously do need to know these first numbers, so you need to know 1 to 12. You also obviously need to know how to read time and how to speak these numbers in English, right? Because you still need to know what you want to say. But we have a bunch of other words that will help you to say what the time is without knowing that many numbers. So let's begin first with the numbers 1 to 12 and we can move from there. So these are 1 to 12. Okay, I'll just read them out. Ek, which is 1. Do, which is 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, that's 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. 11, 11. 12, 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you'll be able to say the first part of the time because this will be 1 to 12. We move on to the second part. Now these few words are going to be quite enough for any and all times that you will have to tell people. So starting with quarter past, that is sawa. Sawa. Quarter to is paune, paune, and half past is sadhe, sadhe. So if it is 3:15, you will first say sawa and then you will say 3, which is teen. So sawa teen. Okay. Here you will again say sawa and then 7. So sawa saat. When you use paune, you will say the paune and then you will say the next number. Just like when it's quarter to, you would say quarter to 6. In that same way, this will also be paune chhe. Paune chhe. Paune no. No is 9, chhe is 6. So paune no, paune chhe. Then comes sadhe. Sadhe is half past. So sadhe chhe and sadhe no. 6:30, 9:30. सवा तीन, पौने छः, 6:30. What about times which are not these? So not 15, 30 or 45. You can use the word lagbhag. Okay? Lagbhag means around, approximate. So if you want to say this time, right? So this 2:10 is approximately 2:15 or approximately 2. So it could be lagbhag 2, which means lagbhag 2 o'clock, or lagbhag sawa 2. So lagbhag or around 2:15. Same with this. It could be 10:30 or 10:45. So it could be lagbhag 10:30 or lagbhag पौने 11, 10:30 or quarter to 11. Another thing is this word which is baje, which roughly translates to o'clock. So when you say 3:15 o'clock or 3 o'clock, that o'clock would be this baje. 3 baje or sawa 3 baje or lagbhag sawa 2 baje. Okay? So this will cover all of time. Now, what about AM PM? So if you're telling someone, let's meet at 6:30, how do you tell them it's 6:30 AM or 6:30 PM? You'll use these words. These are simple: morning, afternoon, evening, night, midnight, right? So midnight is obviously 12 AM, perfectly, like exactly 12 AM is midnight. Night would be any time from 8 PM to 4 PM. After 12, it could also mean morning, right? If you want to say 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, it could technically also be morning. But yeah, morning would be 4 AM to 12 PM. And afternoon will be after 12. It could be till 3, till 4, till 5, depending on, what you want to say. It's all fluid. Evening is somewhere around 4 to 5 to 8 to 9. Okay. So morning is subah. Subah. Afternoon is dopahar. Dopahar. Evening is sham. Sham. Night is raat. Raat. Midnight is आधी रात. आधी रात. आधी means half or like mid. So आधी रात, half night, आधी रात. सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, रात, आधी रात. Okay, so now let's just mix all of these words and see some examples. 3 p.m., which means it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, right? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, afternoon is dopahar. K means off. So, dopahar ke. 3 is 3. And then baje. Dopahar ke 3 baje. 3 o'clock of afternoon. दोपहर के 3 बजे. What about 4:15 a.m.? So this is early morning. So now this becomes सुबह के 4:15 बजे. Okay. You can put बजे over here. It depends on the sentence. So सुबह के 4:15. This is सवा and चार. सुबह के 4:15. Then 9:30 p.m. This is at night. So, रात के 9:30. 9:30 is 9:30. 6:45 p.m. is शाम के 6:45. Sham, because now 6:45 is in the evening. So, शाम के 6:45 बजे. Now, let's do one for lagbhag, which means it's somewhere around. So, 5:10. 5:10 could be around 5 o'clock. It could also be around 5:15. Both are right. So now you will say sham ke, because this is PM, so this is in the evening. So sham ke lagbhag 5:15. This is around 7:15 at evening or in the evening, right, in English. So sham ke lagbhag 5:15 or sham ke lagbhag 5. शाम के लगभग 5 बजे और शाम के लगभग 5:15 बजे. So you will say this is the AM PM, this is the evening, this is somewhere around, and then this is the time which we know. Okay? दोपहर के 3 बजे, सुबह के 4:15 बजे, रात के 9:30, शाम के 6:45, शाम के लगभग 5:15, शाम के लगभग 5. There are 2 exceptions. That's 1:30 and 2:30. 1:30 as per the previous things that we've read would be 1:30. But that's not a real thing. We don't say 1:30. You will say डेढ़. डेढ़. डेढ़ means 1.5. So even if you want to say like 1.5 meters or 1.5 kilometers or 1.5 kg or grams or anything, over there also it will be डेढ़ kilo, डेढ़ meter, like that. So 1:30 is डेढ़ and 2:30 is ढाई, which is 2.5. So only 1:30 and 2:30 will be डेढ़ and ढाई. 3:30 is 3.5 as we've done. That is actually it. That's it for the lesson. That's the basics of how to tell the time. Finally, this time I have created a little test for you. Go through them and write your answers in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch till the end. I'll see you next time. Take care.